Hello again, RVTV viewers. Ron Stafford here. We're at the Brisbane Let's Go Caravan and Outdoor Sale, and Shane has the Lotus Trooper. He kindly offered to run us through. Now, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing because we bring you all things caravan and camping. This is our latest walkthrough. So, Shane, tell us all about it.
Well, the Trooper is our flagship. So this was our family bunk van, full off-road category. Anywhere you want to go, it'll get you there and get you back to one piece.
Yes.
Easy as that. Yes. With all the comforts you need.
All the comforts, excellent. So, what are some of the standout features for the Lotus on this Trooper model?
Disc brakes, number one, is a big option.
Disc brakes, yeah, you don't see that often.
Hot dip down chassis, and we've got a ladder chassis, so we're the only one in the industry to have a ladder chassis.
So could you explain to the viewers a little bit more about what a ladder chassis is?
Well, generally it's more of a truck kind of chassis, so a lot stronger, less flex overall, so giving it a stronger base to work off.
So I suppose as you're negotiating terrain and you're getting all that kind of flex and movement through the van, it's better for that.
100%. Keep the furniture in place, keep all your components internally, safer and stronger, and get more longevity out of it.
So, and disc brakes, you've rarely seen on caravans.
No, they used it in obviously boats for a very, very long time because they recover very well from water and from heat. Yes. So using them in the outback situations where you've got water crossings, up and down ridge lines and canyons and things like that, you want to have a good braking system. Yeah. And
it's important, isn't it? You pull up strong. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Control Rider twin shop.
Okay.
So Australian made, Australian design.
Yep.
Built by GNS chassis with the GNS chassis combined. So.
And actually the chassis design I like on this, it's got the branding all through just as an extra trim there. These type of design flares really help set it apart, and the consumer would like it, I imagine.
Yeah, exactly right. And people want something different, and they want to have that look to it that they like over the years, and that won't kind of age and won't date. Yeah.
So we've stepped inside the Trooper, and mate, this is an impressive finish, Shane.
Yeah. So it's all top quality Stylite furniture. So all the board, there's no chipboard, there's no cheap ply. They're all metal sided drawers, soft close, nice locking latches. It's top quality furniture.
Yep.
And you'd expect that in a premium caravan.
Yes.
Got a large queen bed with inner spring mattress standard, genuine leather. All the bits and pieces. We've got a 6'6" roof, so I'm quite tall, yet I can stand in here comfortably.
Yeah, you actually, that's a good point.
Yeah.
So we go back 10 years ago, obviously our grey nomad market was the most dominant, and you could have to almost ask for a special order on a bunk van.
Yeah, pretty much.
These days, bunk vans are everywhere, so if you're in that family market, get to a show like this, you get to see all of this. And just the feeling of space in here is great, you know, and the colour schemes that you're really on trend. And I noticed that you've got obviously a lot of storage around the side here, and we can actually walk in next to the bed, which is a nice feature also.
Yeah, definitely. It makes the bed easy to make.
You've got these little, nooks in the side there, putting your phone or your book or different things, really convenient.
Correct, that's for your CPAP machine for your snoring, mate. So, it runs off your inverter.
Well, it's great for me again. This is my van. But the en-suites, one of my favourites to check out.
I think you'll be able to sit down comfortably.
So this is what just surprised me. I saw one door at the front, expecting to see a toilet one side and a shower the other, which essentially has happened, but you've done a little bit fancier.
Yeah.
So as we walk into this one, we're greeted straight with the hand basin covered, toilet, and then another door sectioning off the shower. Yeah,
so if the kids need to go to the loo while you're having a shower, it can be utilised as well.
This is great for a family. This is fantastic.
And it's not too big, 21'6", it's not 23 and 24
it's
foot.
Not a big size.
No, and it's still relatively easy to manoeuvre and get into the older parks that don't really cater for the really big stuff.
And I imagine you're running solar and everything?
Yeah, 4 170 watt solar panels.
Four
170 watt solar panels, 200 amp hour lithium, and a Red Arc BMS Manager 30. So more than enough.
No, this is designed to be off the grid.
Yeah.
Thanks very much for taking us through, mate. It's an impressive van. If you'd like to know more, follow the links in the comment section, or get to kratzmannscaravans.com.au and you can check out all the extra details there. And thanks very much for your time.
No worries.
Until next time, safe caravanning.